Watching the ocean, guys. Yes, it's just started the beginning of summer, and I doing my exercise today, guys, and I'm walking along the coastal line on the beach. Yes, thanks for joining me. I appreciate you guys. As you can see, the ocean is rumbling and rumbling. Yeah, guys, you guys are awesome. Unbelievably awesome, guys. Thanks for tagging in. Thanks for enjoying the ocean with me, guys. There we go, guys. That's the ocean, guys. The Atlantic Ocean, people. Yes. Woo! I'm coming over here. Yes, man. This is what people are gonna enjoy in the summertime, guys. And we just started the beach season, which is like a pre-summer. Yes. Thanks for tagging along, guys. It's your boy Omo Oyemeko. Taking my exercise routine right along the coastal line this morning, guys. Glad you're able to join me wherever you guys are watching from. Locally, internationally, or intercontinentally, guys. It's your boy Omo Oyemeko. Please subscribe and support your boy Omo Oyemeko. As you can see, the ocean is, yes, guys, unbelievable, guys. Yes, nice, guys. You guys are watching Omo Oyemeko, coming live from the ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Yes, guys. Thanks for tuning in for the guys, eh? Thanks for supporting the boy. Yes. Unbelievable this morning. What an exercise. The breeze of the ocean is super. Yes. Yes, guys. And this is the sand. But people will be sitting down while bathing or something in the boat or in the ocean. Yes, guys. You guys are awesome. Yes. Thank you for tagging along, guys. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. You are watching Omo Oyemeko YouTube channel. The ocean is, you know, right now beach 72nd Street. Yeah, we did a walking this morning, and I decided to shoot this video along the coastal line with the ocean. Yes, guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. Thank you. Yeah, guys. You guys are watching Omo Oyemeko. Coming live from the Atlantic Ocean, guys. As you can see, the ocean is rolling, rumbling. Yes, guys. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, man. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you guys. Yes, your boy Omo Oyemeko. Coming live. Whoa! There we go, guys. Let's move back, guys. Yeah, we're not ready to dip in the water yet, guys. Yes. It's your boy Omo Oyemeko. Coming live from the Atlantic Ocean, Rockaway Beach. This 74th Street. Yes, guys, I'm going to invite you guys to watch the beauty of the ocean. I'll see you guys in a bit. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Share the video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell also, guys. You guys are awesome. Yes. I'll see you guys in a bit. Thank you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, man. This is France. This is your boy Omo Oyemeko. From live from the Atlantic Ocean, guys. As you can see the roaming. Whoa! Yeah, guys. You guys are awesome, man. Nice. Thanks for watching the video, guys. You guys are awesome. Your boy, Omo Oyemeko. Thanks for tuning in this morning, guys. We are beginning the summer, and the exercise also is for the day, guys. Walking along the coastline, this 84th Street. Yeah, thanks for tagging along, guys. You guys are awesome, man. Look at all the sand. Where people going to be sitting and enjoying the ocean. Some of them will be dipping in the water, surfing, swimming. Yeah, guys. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you guys. Your boy, Omo Oyemeko. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Yes. And let's subscribe and support your boy, man. Support the channel. Yes. You guys are unbelievable, man. Always watching the video. I appreciate you guys. Yes. This is a rock. Atlantic Ocean, guys. Yes. Thank you for tagging along, guys. You guys are awesome. Yes. This is going to be in the summer, guys. I'm going to enjoy Rockaway Beach, guys. I appreciate you guys. Yes. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and support the boy. And don't forget you to hit the notification bell. It's your boy, Omo Oyemeko. On the live. From the Atlantic Ocean, Rockaway Beach, Omo Oyemeko. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you guys. Yes. That's the ocean, guys. Nice. That's the drone shot of the ocean, guys. Yes. You are watching Omo Oyemeko channel, guys. You guys are awesome. I'll see you guys again, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. I hope you enjoyed the video this morning. Take care. God bless. Thank you.